You know the way almost everyone has a custom email for their domains, maybe for personal use or business purposes. These email addresses looks like this. If you're interested in creating a custom email that looks like this, I'll show you exactly how to create one using Cloudflare email routing. And the best part is it's free to set up. To set up email routing, you first need to ensure you have your website set up on Cloudflare. For my case, I do, so I'll go ahead and select this website. Under the options, I'll select email and email routing. Now, Cloudflare needs to add the relevant MX and text records to DNS for email routing to work. This step is automatic and only needed the first time you configure email routing. So if you see a pop-up, just go ahead and select add records and click on finish. Now go ahead and click routing rules and scroll to custom addresses. We want to create a custom email address for this domain. So I'll go ahead and click the create address button. Now I want to call my custom address hello@gifteguenu.com, and I want it to send an email to a destination email address, which I need to create. Under destination addresses, we'll add a new destination address. And for this, it's going to be my own email address. Once that's done, we'll go back to the routing rules and do the same process again. So create a new address, and I want to call it hello@gifteguenu.com. I want it to send an email to the destination address that I've just entered. And once I click on save, we currently have that set up and it's now active. That's it. Email routing is now enabled. You can add as many custom addresses to your account as you wish. To ensure that this is working, I'll go ahead and test this out by sending an email to myself. I won't show you that, but I'll do it behind the scenes. Now, based on what I've done, I received an email from my newly created custom email address. I hope you found this guide very helpful. Go ahead and like and share, and I'll catch you in the next one.